Just stop. Stop. Just because you're loud about your idea doesn't mean it's the best. You may just be stuck in what I call intellectual arrogance. You may not even know you're acting this way, but you are when you act like your ideas can be wrong or they are better than everyone else's. Then there will be no room to pick the brain of others and get richer in ideas. Stop interrupting others. Stop dismissing ideas too quickly. Stop struggling to admit your mistakes. It is okay to be wrong. Stop defending based on what you've read instead of listening. Here's what's helping me. Be open. Listen. Listening can be relaxing and fun. Learn to accept being wrong. It helps you to increase knowledge. And you like the transformation too. Trust me.